What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek ROD, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Frameo digital Wi-Fi photo frame, which I got right here. If I can pick it up. Look at this. There we go. Frameo Wi-Fi digital photo frame. So, a little of this, a little of that, you know. I know my kids were saying they need more photos of them in the home, and I need to put more pictures on the wall. And me being the tech guy, TechGeek ROD, I was like, okay, let me get a digital photo frame so I can put all the pictures on the frame at one time. But anyways, yeah, so this is it. And, you know, of course, this is the back. Nothing too shabby, little this, little that. It says it's Wi-Fi capable, HD resolution, blah blah blah, captions, and we'll put all that to the test when I install the app and get it set up and all that good stuff. But you know, so let me slam it on the table. So, but yeah, I already did an unboxing already. And inside the box was this right here. Just a power cable, a booklet, and the device itself. That's all that came in the box. Of course, there's some film, so you can peel it off the screen so the screen still stays nice and protected. Let's turn it over. Let's turn to the back. Of course, on the back, you got some nail situations, so you can mount it on the wall. There's also a power button. You know, there's these little notches here so you can nail it to the wall. And on the back right here, you know, there's the DC, which is when that comes in right there. That's the DC port. You can also plug in a micro SD card, a USB. It looks like USB-C. Yeah, that's definitely USB-C. And there's a reset button. So that's what's on the back of the device. And this is a 10.1 inch size. So this is what you get. But yeah, let's get this on the wall. And I'll try to record a video of how the setup process is with the app. But you know, it's a little this, a little that. But I will provide a final video of how it looks with the photo on the wall. So stay tuned. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, so looking at my kitchen here, I'm trying to figure out what wall I'm gonna put this on. It could go right there, because you can see there's a plug right there at the bottom, and it can just go right there, right front and center. As soon as company come in, bam, they'll see the digital picture on the wall right there hanging, and then they'll be greeted with the kitchen and the living room, blah blah blah. But let me walk in here real quick. Let me walk in the living room and see where I want to put the photo in here. So as you can see, there's also a plug right here. I could put it right there, like front and sit, like right there in the living room. Cause there's a plug there. I can hang it right there, or I can put it over here. You know, we got pictures over here as it is. This is like the bar area. You know, you're greeted with the kitchen and the living room and blah, blah, blah. And there's a plug right there along with my stepdaughter's photo, you know, looking nice and pretty. But yeah, I might put it right there and just hang the photo right there. I don't know where I want to put it at, but we'll see, we'll see. All right, so let's take a look at the Frameo picture frame at nighttime. So this is the living room. Little this, little that. You know, we on the beach. Somewhere in Mexico or Panama City, Florida, somewhere. Anyways, so over here is where I have the Frameo picture frame. And as you can see, it's kind of just cycling through photos. Still need a cable strip to hide that wire. So this is the picture frame at nighttime. As you can see, it shows the time, the weather. And if you go up to it, you can cycle through photos. So if you just touch the screen and just swipe left or right, you know, it'll go through photos just like that. Having a hard time swiping. But anyways, and as you can see, I got mines up here with our other photos. This is kind of like a little bar, a little setup, you know, get some drinks up there. You got your chairs. Like I said, I just gotta do a little small things. I need to hide those wires. I need to get those pictures hung up as well. But this Frameo photo frame just makes it so that, you know, if you're a digital person like I am, and you got a lot of photos, you can just buy these frames and put a lot of photos on one frame and just have like a little, you know, a little nightlight little setup, you know. So I may buy some more of these to put on some other walls in the home. But yeah, so this is the living room. Let me show you guys how it looks, you know, from a further distance away. So let me go back here to the back corner of the living room. So that's like a more broad view of how it looks. And you got the kitchen over there. I could put another digital photo frame on the other wall opposite of it. Then of course you got your TV, you got your lights and Alexa and all that good stuff. So yeah. But the star of the show though is that digital photo frame by Frameo. Let me get closer, let me get closer. And then of course too, with the photo frame, you can, we see how the orientation mine is. I got it kind of in vertical setup, kind of like those photos on the counter. So I got this one vertical as well. But you can rotate it. You can rotate the photo frame to like horizontal, and then all your pictures will have like a, you know, 16:9 aspect ratio. But yeah, looks pretty good. Let me turn the lights on so you guys can kind of get a view of how it looks with lights on. Like if you have a bright room or whatever. So of course you got your TV, you got your lights and all that good stuff. And then coming back to the photo frame by Frameo. Yes, I need to hide the wires. I know it's coming. I need to hide that wire. That's what's killing it. It's that just long ass black wire hanging down to the power socket. But yeah, that could easily be fixed. Just got to get a cable strip. Costs like about $10 to $15 at Home Depot or Lowe's. Just need a cable strip. But I wanted to get this video finished, so I didn't have time to really go take care of that. I've been going to work every day. But so yeah, beautiful photo frames. And at the same time, if you go up to it, you can tap the screen and it'll give you a bunch of settings. Like you can change how the photo looks, fit the frame, you can adjust the photo, you can pull up your gallery. Let's pull up the gallery. Let's see how that looks. So if I pull up the gallery, as you can see, it shows all the photos that's currently synced to this device. And you can scroll up and down. Let's go to this one, me and the fellas, me and my cousins. Click on that. There we go. Close it up, full screen. Let's go back to the gallery. Let's do fit to frame. Let's see how that looks. And as you can see, that's fit to frame. Of course, that photo itself probably looks better if I was to rotate. The photo frame, because I took that photo sideways. Well, I took that photo horizontal. Anyways, but yeah, let's do fill frame. Let's go back. Yeah, let's just keep it like that. And like I said, you can go up to it and you can swipe and see different photos just by swiping left and right. So, but anyways, but yeah, quick little video. I need to get a cable strip, similar how my TV has a cable strip right there to hide the wires. I need to touch up on that too. It keeps sliding because the heat and the adhesive doesn't stick correctly. So I need to get that fixed as well. But yeah,
It's all about those cable strips. Those cable strips make a big difference in the appearance of electronics and devices. You don't want wires just showing, kind of how mine is. I just ain't had time. You guys. But yes, this is it. This is the digital photo frame by Frameo. So, if you like this device, you can pick it up off of Amazon for about $40 to $50. And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. A little of this, a little of that. It's your boy Randall D, TechGeek RLD, back again with another video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I got more content coming to you guys. Hit that subscribe button. I need it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And you know my slogan, they gonna learn today. All right, y'all.